Welcome everybody, my name is Caleb. In this video I will be talking about the if function. Now normally you'll hear it as the if statement. Well, this isn't a statement because in MySQL it's used as a function. And it looks like this. If, and then there's parentheses. That is how you define a function with the parentheses. We'll take three things within these parentheses. We will have a test that we put here. So test this. And if it's true, return this, and if it's false, return this. So how this works is, let's say 4 is greater than 5. If 4 is greater than 5, it's like English. If 4 is greater than 5, call the cops. Now, if it's false, we could say call your mom. And tell her that 4 is greater than 5. Which she'll be completely confused because it's not. So basically, if 4 is greater than 5, call the cops. You can just read it like English. Just read it. So let's just ignore this right here and pretend it is true. Ignore this, pretend this is true, or test it if this is true. If 4 is greater than 5, comma, call the cops. You see, it's like English. That's why I like the way this is set up rather than some examples with other programming languages that you can't necessarily read. But if it's false, call your mom. So you better be calling your mom. So I know this is like a really stupid example and you're not really going to get the opportunity to use this for MySQL like this. I'll give you another example. So if I have a database with a bunch of people in it, I want to select their name and run some tests on their name. So we do. Create a select statement. And this probably isn't the best example either, but you know me, I always give horrible examples. That's what I do. So select, we're going to select the name. And then comma. What else are we going to select? Well, we're going to create a temporary column, and it's going to be if, within parentheses, I can say name equal to Caleb Curry within quotation marks. If select name, if name is equal to Caleb Curry, then I want you to do something, and if it's not, then I want you to do something else. So then I can say, I can put Caleb Curry again in quotation marks. Now what this will do, if name is equal to Caleb Curry, you could say it's Caleb Curry, or I could say, here, let me write something better. Is awesome. Haha. Stupid chalkboard. Is awesome. So if name is Caleb Curry, I want you to display is awesome. So it will say Caleb Curry is awesome. But if it's not Caleb Curry, I want you to put a comma, and then I want you to say is even awesomer. Which I don't know. Is that a word? Awesomer? It is now. Is even awesomer. So this is our entire function right here. Bang. So I know it's a mess. So let me just try and work our way through this. It's going to select the name from the database. So we have our database here, and we have columns and rows. And it's going to say, alright, here's the name, here's the age, here's their address, and it's going to say, oh, Caleb. Oh, this guy's name's John, right? And it's going to say if name is equal to Caleb, and it's going to create our result table. Since we're selecting the name, it's going to say Caleb, John, and let's say someone else, Bill, right here, and it says if the name is equal to Caleb, display is awesome. Caleb is awesome. And if it's not equal to Caleb, say is even awesomer. So here, they're not equal to Caleb, it'll say is even awesomer, right here. And I'll displace this right here, because my name is not equal to Caleb. So I'm sorry for my horrible examples, but I don't have any excuse. I should probably go study some good examples and then teach you. But for now, that's all I have for now. So in the next video, I'll be going over the case statement, which is very similar, but probably more useful. Maybe not, I don't know. So yeah, subscribe, like this video, and my name's Caleb, and thank you for watching.